POV Ethiopian goat latte art. The steam gently kisses the rich, dark surface, a canvas waiting for inspiration. A delicate swirl of the pitcher begins to form the intricate design. Slowly, a familiar shape emerges from the depths of the coffee. Horns curl with elegant precision, a testament to the barista's skill. A gentle touch completes the portrait, capturing the essence of the creature. The warm, earthy aroma of the latte mingles with the satisfaction of creation. It stands as a tribute, a moment of artistry captured in a simple cup. The world waits to be amazed by this tiny masterpiece. The steam rises, carrying the rich aroma of freshly roasted beans. A gentle pour begins, the dark liquid swirling into the creamy white canvas. Intricate patterns emerge, inspired by ancient symbols. A horn silhouette takes shape, a nod to the unique origin of the milk. The design tells a silent story, a tribute to a land of rich traditions. Each sip is a journey, a taste of something truly special. The warm mug feels comforting in hand, a promise of a delightful experience. This moment is a celebration of artistry and flavor combined.